Yo, what up guys? So in today's video, what I want to do is get you guys through how to start hacking and doing CTFs. For many of you that don't know, CTFs is basically capture the flag. Capture the flag is one of the best ways to learn hacking, and basically not only, but is one of the best ways. Also, it's basically a good way to learn how to secure stuff and become a blue teamer at some point, right? It's good to be on both sides of the world. So that's the question I get. How to apply CTFs? I don't know how to do this. So I'm going to take you through exactly how to start. So the first thing you need to do is sign up to TryHackMe. TryHackMe is basically a website for training for cybersecurity as a beginner, right? With zero experience. TryHackMe will take you through point A to point G. From G to Z, you need to go and hack the box. Hack the box is you definitely shouldn't try hack the box first of all. First thing, if you've never done anything, you should not try HTB or hack the box. And you're gonna ask why. Hack the box is a more advanced information and CTFs. You're not gonna manage, you're just gonna get annoyed. So just listen to me and just try hack me first and then HTB. When I first started, I thought I'm smart. When I first started doing CTFs, I thought I'm smart. I was like, well, what are people talking about? I know everything, right? I was like, I know everything. Like, bro, relax. No, I didn't know shit, right? I didn't know shit. I thought I know something, I didn't know shit. So try hack me first, then hack the box. And then whatever you want after that. Von Hub, whatever you want. Or if you want, you can try Von Hub first before hack the box. But you need to try hack me first. And then you can go do whatever you want. So what I usually do is I usually do search. Now it matters how much time I have sometimes. Well, you guys can see that's interesting. 2 seconds. Now it matters how much time I've got, but I usually play anything between hard and easy. I've not tried any insane ones, but there's a couple, right? There's a couple, but what I would recommend is definitely info and easy to play, to start with at least. Right, so try to go through the information, try to go through the learn process. So try to go through all of this, as you can see, try to go through some of the things. The ones I recommend is doing Burp Suite, Metasploit, web hacking, network security, and basically anything here, right? You don't need to go through. Basically, I would say start 10 steps. So try Linux fundamentals, right? Then try to move to maybe privilege escalation, Linux. Then try to move to pen testing, right? And then just do whatever you think is suitable for you. Try and expand. Maybe you're good at, for example, malware analysis. Maybe you're good at cyber defense frameworks, right? There's some things you're good at, something you're not good at. Just go through everything, right? Once you get to a certain level where you understand, go to search or practice. As you can see, my first page is pretty done. But let's go to search and let's choose something easy. Let me see if there's any easy levels. Something I've done. Right, so as soon as you choose a level, right, what you're gonna get. I don't know if you guys can do this because maybe it's a paid level. I'm not sure. I think it's a live free one. What you need to do is start the machine here. You press this button, start machine, and then if you here, instead of show split view, what you're gonna get is a button that will say start Kali or attack box. You need to press that one, press the button, and then when you press it, it's gonna start. And you need to allow 2-3 minutes for this to start. So I'm gonna wait 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna get a drink, and then I'll get back to you guys. You should do the same, right? Just follow what I'm doing. So as you can see, everything has loaded. And something I do recommend taking a note of is the IP address. So just open mousepad, paste. Oh, never mind. Maybe I can. Or just type it in, right? The reason I can't copy it is because I have the clipboard blocked for some reason. I blocked it. Maybe it's just, I don't know. I clicked it, whatever. It doesn't make any difference, right? Save it. Not save it, just put it in the mousepad, right? And then what you got here at the bottom, I'll actually, can I show you guys? No. At the bottom, there's an arrow. It's view in full screen. Click it, and you're gonna get a new window. And that's it, right? That's a new window, and you've got fully interactive Kali machine on cloud, which is, by the way, much faster than anything. I don't know why is it so fast, but it's good, right? Let me just set up the screen again, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so that's basically you set up. You should be able to hack. So what I've done is now you should be able to hack, right? But if you don't know, that's okay. What I have done is I prepared a full course. It's not fully done yet, but I constantly update every day. I constantly update the course from A to Z plus. I'm going to bring it right to you. The secrets and everything you need to know is going to be in that course, and it's on sale right now. So you should check it out because the spaces are limited. Well, not the spaces, but the time is limited, right? Okay, so let's actually do a simple scan of the server or the device. Okay, so we're going to do sudo nmap sv and pp. Now, I'm just going to break these down for you because you might not know. So sudo nmap and sv, what does this do? Sv stands for show version. It's a flag or a switch. These are flags and switches. SV, what it does, it shows you a version and it shows you ports. And pp, what it does, it scans for every single port that's open. Sometimes there could be ports like 60,000. Could be anything. Could be SSH, could be a website, could be anything, right? Could be FTP. But sometimes the Nmap doesn't show you because Nmap scans like the first couple thousand ports, and for you to scan a full device, you need to run pp, right? P hyphen whatever. And as you can see, we have SSH and we have port 80. Now, if you have a port 80 running on that device, that means it's running a web server. That's something we're looking for, because websites are usually the way you hack into the machine, right? At least for CTFs. So launch a browser and let's go to that web browser, or sorry, website, not web browser. I'm getting mixed up with things. Right, hopefully it'll take a second. Now, if this was to be on port 8000, what you would have to do is change the port on the browser, right? So if it's by putting HTTP, by specifying HTTP, we don't need to do that because we're already specifying the port and the protocol, right? So HTTP, just give me the IP address, please. Thank you. Right, so it is 10.10.24.27. And as you can see, we have the website, right? And now what you should do is you should take a look at the website. Now look through the source code. Always look through the source code, right? As you can see, I already found the credential, username, Rick Rules. And as you can see, I found possibly a vulnerability, which is here. If you have any problems, just hit me out on Twitter. My Twitter should be in the description. There should be a card link, which has all my socials, everything from A to Z. But other than that, you should have all the information in the world to contact me and ask me any questions you might have. That's why I'm there. People don't do it. I get maybe one message a week.